Welcome back guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So this time we have with us the ANT ESPORTS KM 500 Pro gaming keyboard and mouse combo set. So this one I got from Instamart at 1100 rupees. The combo I got from it is one of the most bought combo sets in internet, and you can clearly see the features and specifications mentioned on the box. So let us unbox it. And after cutting the seal, we can see the keyboard and the mouse are already here with a manual and the warranty card. Well, let's keep the box aside and focus on the devices. Yes, so this is the keyboard. Guys, it's actually looking good, and the in-hand feel is also good. Look at the mouse. Wow. The plastics are not of that much good quality, but as of 1100, what else we can expect? So this was my old keyboard from EvoFox, and it is not working properly. Some of the keys are not working properly actually. So I had to buy the new one. And as you can see, it has the RGB effect, but the keyboard and mouse both cannot be customized through any software or any extra functionalities. The durability is okay type. You cannot expect much. And well, let's see it in the dark. Oh my god, it's looking good actually. So this is the combo set. You can order it as well from any website like Flipkart, Amazon, or from Instamart, Blinkit as well. So it has breathing effect and three types of RGB combinations, as you can see. So let me show you the different color modes you can actually see in the keyboard. So, and with the function key and the plus page up and page down button, you can actually increase or decrease the light intensity, and also you can on or off the combinations, the RGB combinations. Well, this is all about the keyboard and mouse combo sets, and enjoy your gaming, enjoy your typing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video.